Exercise 98. Dear Mr. Brewer, it is to be regretted that the arrangement with the band of the Cleopatra has fallen through, but I shall be able to rearrange the program and it will not affect the gaiety of the members of the Lyceum on Monday, full stop. We have had to reappoint the late manager of the local theatre is master of ceremonies, because he knows the ceremonial to be observed, and we shall have to reassemble the members of the chorus, and readmit those who retired last June, full stop. I am worrying the decorators, and doing my utmost to make these slowest of slow people finish their work, full stop. Very truly yours.